Hey guys, I'm going to go over the med ball squat clean. So this is a very advanced movement, but it's awesome because it's a medicine ball is involved rather than a complex barbell. It really works the entire body, particularly the legs, as well as the glutes and even the hamstrings. So to set up for the medicine ball squat clean, you want a slightly wider than shoulder width stance. All right, you want the ball resting in between your feet like this. And then notice that the palms of my hand are on the ball, chest is nice and tall, and the knees are in line with toes. So from here, I'm going to deadlift the ball, keeping the nice lumbar curve, and the hips and shoulders rise at the same rate. When I get to about right here at hip level, I'm going to squeeze the button quads aggressively, and then shrug the shoulders, and then I'm going to catch in the bottom of a squat with the ball still out in front like this. And then the rep is finally complete when you stand to full extension. So at full speed, it'll look like this. Okay. Some pointers for the med ball squat clean is we want to make sure we keep that nice lumbar curve rather than just bending and hinging at the hips like this. We really want to avoid that, as well as we want to avoid reverse curling the ball. We really want to rotate our hands around rather than curling the ball up like this. Notice that when done properly, my hands more rotate around the ball, like such. And that right there is the medicine ball squat clean.